Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And Jasmy, okay, Jasmy, today there was a little bit of a breakdown here. So you saw Jasmy coming down, but very quickly you also pumped back up. So if you're looking at Jasmy right now, I do believe your stop loss is going to be down at 4098. Okay, if you're in a trade, 4098 is going to be your stop loss in my opinion, or just a little bit lower here to maybe 4000 level, because what you're doing right now is that you do have a bearish closing, but next to it you have a green candle. So these two candles combined are actually positive. They're called as bullish harami candlestick, and it means that a reversal to the upside can actually happen. When I look at Jasmy on the 4-hour time frame, it does show that Jasmy is on a very big support right now. On the RSI, if I do extend and drag the RSI, the RSI is pretty much holding the support. It's at the lowest level that Jasmy can actually be in. And if I do zoom in like this and zoom in into the RSI, the RSI has one touch move up, one touch move up a little bit. And this is still very, very low for Jasmy, but finger crossed, let's see what happens. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, there's a little bit of a problem here that you do end up coming back up to retest here. Now, my comment about it is that if you do not come above here and you don't see Jasmy pumping up like this, then we're in a big deep trouble. And to be even more confident is if you come down and take this stop loss here, and then boom, you go down like this, touch 4000, and then I might be more confident that Jasmy is gonna go down to 2500 from 4400. So basically you have a double top. Keep that in mind. That's very clear double top. There's no doubt that you do have a pattern as your double top. There's no doubt that you have all of this as your neckline. And there's no doubt, again, if you try to come down like this, you've lost all the support right there. Then you don't have any other direction other than to go down to a technical target, which is going to be down here at this place. So today and tomorrow can actually be two important days. So let's hope in the next 14 hours you end up pumping up and this bullish harami candlestick does play out. Not all hopes are lost just yet. You do have a little bit of a chance with Jasmy to try to fight back from here. But if you fail to fight back, if the bears step in, if Bitcoin starts to drop again, then down you go. Simple. That's it for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.